If you have these materials before starting your pastel, you're ready to go. So in this video I'm going to be showing you my materials and I use in my pastel portrait drawing or any of the arts that I use pastel. So let's get started. First of all, I have this one. We call it, this is charcoal, very dark, has come with different have soft, hard, and medium. Very good. Basically sometimes when I want to like to treat the hair or the lighter dark effects, you can use the hard, and if you want more darker effect you can use the medium, but it's very dark, you can use the soft one. All right, so next up I have this skin tones. I think all of the artists, if you are a pastel or colored uh, drawing artist, you'll be aware of this. It's very nice. So I mix them with my pastel to get more tone effects. All right, so next up I have this soft pastel. It's 24 in number. Yes, it's very soft and very light, but with your techniques you can get it, and know how to blend in and use them more. And this is the colors here. Yeah, like this one I've already started using them. Lastly, I have this one they call soft pastel. I think this one too you are well, you can see and get it in art shop. It's very nice. I just buy it new fresh out. So yeah, so if you have those material that I've used here, this is a masking tape. You can go to anywhere. This one I use in, so taping some areas of maybe paper or all this kind of thing I needed in my work. I use them too. So if you find this video interesting, you can follow me or subscribe to my YouTube channel for more art tips and tutorial. So let's get to work. Don't play. If you play, you're gonna learn the hard way. Working with my boys is really amazing. uh, I feel so blessed and so glad to guide them through this their art journey. you know this particular boy is really talented, and he's always show me the anger the eager that he want to learn, and I'm always pleased to have him as one of my students. This other one, both of them are very talented and they are really willing to learn. So I feel blessed to have them under my cover that I am the one to expose them into this art career, you know. So it's really nice and I'm so grateful. So today class was really amazing. See you on my next video.